Yes, people, and welcome to a new video of my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your BeReal profile picture. It's pretty easy, and you have to touch your BeReal account, of course, in your menu. And then you are in this screen I'm right now, and you see my empty BN profile picture. And you can tap on it, and you see a little camera, and you tap on the little camera. And you have three options. You can use today's BeReal. So I made a BeReal today. It's nothing special, but you can choose it. Now I cancel it. Well, let's choose it. Let's choose this picture because I don't have any friends on BeReal, so I don't care too much for this video. So, and you see I changed my profile picture in today's BeReal. You can also use the photo library and use the camera to make an own picture. Well, that's it. You have three options, and now I can delete my picture, and it's empty again, and I can choose something new. Yes, and in the profile as well, you can choose your full name, your username. You can add a bio, and you can add a new location. Now it's Netherlands, and you can save it, and then you edit your profile picture. So this was it for today. I hope you learned something, and I see you in the next video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and well, see you next time. Goodbye.